Friends, my sons, my daughters, I'm going to tell you something today that might be the most important thing you've ever heard in your life. And as I say this, that old excitement inside me rises up so strongly, because I too was once one of those people who always woke up at 7 in the morning, stayed in the office until 8 at night, who never fully received the reward for their efforts. And as I remember those days, I realized that the question I really needed to ask myself wasn't, how do I work more, but how do I make the system work for me? I made this shift in mindset and managed to change my life, and I'm telling you about it. Now, I want to ask you this question. Think about that energy, that focus, that time you spent for 8 hours growing someone else's dream. If you had invested just one of those 8 hours, yes, just one single hour, into something truly for you, a skill or a system or a digital product, where would you be today? Think about that question for a moment, or let me tell you, you would be in a very different place, because working 8 hours is not a virtue. Friends, working 8 hours is actually a huge trap, and the ones who set that trap were thinking not of you, but of their own interests. Now please don't misunderstand me. Working is sacred, labor is honorable, but which labor, for whom, in exchange for what? That is the real issue right there. And I spent years forgetting to ask myself this question. I didn't know. I was young. That's why I started very late. But somehow I started. And thank goodness I started. My sons, my daughters, 1 hour a day. Look, just 1 hour. If you spend that 1 hour on the right thing, meaning learning, producing, and converting into a system, over time that 1 hour transforms into a machine that earns money for you even while you sleep. And this is not a fairy tale. This is mathematics itself. The magic of compound returns. The reality of a system that once built works in your place. So how? Now, listen to me very, very carefully, because what I'm about to say here is that one single door in front of millions, and the key to that door is this. Learn a skill. One thing, just one thing. It could be video editing, it could be content writing, it could be graphic design, it could be e-commerce, it could be coding, it could be anything you can think of, whatever it may be. But choose one and give that 1 hour every day to that skill. Then digitize that skill, create a course, write an ebook, design a template, develop software, meaning turn that knowledge into a product and put that product on the internet. Because the internet never sleeps, friends. While you sleep, that product gets sold to someone waking up in another time zone around the world. While you're having breakfast, it drops into your commission account. While you're walking, running, having fun in the park. With your child, someone is feeding off the value you created, and this is the freedom that 8 hours can never, ever, under any circumstances provide. Understand compound returns, friends. This is not just a term from the investment world. This is the law of life itself. A small gain grows again and again. A skill you learn opens other further skills. A system you build over time feeds a larger system, and one day you'll start looking back asking, how did I do this? Just like how I feel when I look back today. And let me say this too. The faces of those who didn't take action are before my eyes. Their regret still saddens me, because many of them were smart, many of them were talented, many of them had that knowledge but said, I'll start tomorrow, and that tomorrow never came, meaning they procrastinated, and now they're sitting in the same office, in the same chair, with the same salary, but this time 10 years older, and what I see in that gaze is not regret. It is the weight of lost time, my sons. That burden is very heavy. I don't want you to carry that burden. You are young, you have time, you have energy, and knowledge has never been this easy to access. One phone, one internet connection, and that 1 hour of determination puts you on a different path starting today, and every small step you take on that path transforms into a massive distance in the coming months, because time is your greatest capital. You can regain money, never time. That's why do this now. Choose a skill for yourself, not tomorrow, tonight. Right now, decide what you will use that 1 hour for before you put down your phone, and make that decision and apply it immediately without thinking, because the only difference between people who become millionaires and those who don't is most of the time that one moment of decision. Your brain constantly makes up excuses, thoughts, scenarios for you. It is that moment when you say, I'm starting, and that moment for you is now. Come on then, friends, my sons, my daughters, get up and begin. The system is waiting for you. Have a good watch and invest.